So good day, everyone. We are here to present our table of specification that we have designed together with my group mates, Lou Alexandra Katig, Janalyn Topia, Charlene Kagape, Samantha Idpalina, and Veronica Javier. So for this day, we are going to present to you what we have done to our table of specification. So to determine the part of the table of specification, we have to use two formula. For the first formula is to determine the number of hours in each learning objectives. So we are going to use the formula percentage equals number of hours in each objectives divided by total of number of hours times 100. So for the first part, the number one learning competency, the identify parts of speech, we have 15 hours. So to determine the percentage, we have to get the number of hours in each objective. So we have 15 divided by total number of hours, which is 30. So we have 15 divided by 30 times 100 equals to 50%. So for the number two objectives, analyze sentence structure, we have 5 hours for each objectives divided by the total of hours, 30 times 100, we have the 17%. And for number three, use parts of speech effectively, we have 10 divided by 30 times 100 equals to 10%. Next, we are going to determine the number of items. We are going to use the number of items. The formula number of items equals total number of items times the percentage. So we have the total number of items, which is the 30, times the percentage 50% times or times 0.50. So we are, for the identify parts of speech, we have 15 test items. So for number two, we have 30 times 0.17. We'll be able to get the 5 number of items. Then number three, use parts of speech effectively, 30 times percentage of 0.10. So we will be able to get the number 10 number of test items. So the next part that we are going to do is to determine the place of test items. So we have, for according to the Bloom's taxonomy, that we are going to do this step by step, and we have to start with the easiest part. So we have to follow the level of difficulty. First is the easy part, then the medium or the middle part, and lastly would be the most difficult part. So we are going to identify the number of items that we are going to put in each level of difficulty. So we have the easy part, which remembering and understanding, and for the medium level of difficulty, we have the analyzing and applying, and for the hardest part of difficulty, we have the evaluating and creating. So to be able to determine our number of items, we will going to present next our questionnaire that we have formed for this TOS. So let me call Lou Alexandra Katig to present our questionnaire.
So good evening, everyone. We have arranged our questions through this questionnaire. So for remembering, we have numbers 1 to 7, 11, 14, 17, 21, 25, 27, 29, and 30. So all in all, we have 11 questions. And for the understanding, we have 10 questions, which is the numbers 2, 6, 8, 12, 13, 15, 20, 22, 24, and 26. And for analyzing, we have 5 total items, which are 3, 5, 16, 18, 23. And for applying, we only have one, the number 19. And for evaluating, we have 3 questions, number 9, 10, and 28. For creating, we have no question.
So that would be all for this group. Thank you for listening and goodbye.